Got this guy out right now.
Can I help you guys?
And then we got these guys out.
Get back to you. Can I help you?
Did we ask for help, man?
You know this is a federal facility.
That's exactly why I'm here.
Yeah,
Because
are
it's
you
a federal facility.
Call 911.
Go for it.
Okay.
Okay, we got
why are you guys
Workman. Who are you that I have to answer to, man? Who are you?
Well, we're just
I'm on my property. Am I on your property?
This
is not your property.
This is my property, bro. Take a look at it.
Who are
Take
you?
a good look at it.
Who are you?
That's none of your business who I am.
Call 911. Hello YouTube. On today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel Arizona Auditor. Please take a moment and head over to their YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. Today's video took place in March 2021 in Phoenix, Arizona. The auditor in the video was doing a First Amendment audit of the U.S. Foods facility in West Phoenix, Arizona, when he was confronted by multiple employees of the facility who were under the impression that they own all the land around the facility. They also thought they could order the auditor to stop filming and tell him to leave. At one point, someone calls the Fillings police, and let's just say that an education was soon delivered. Now, let's dive right into today's video and break down this footage. Right now.
This is more a security issue. We're just trying to make sure that there's no threat to the power plant.
Well, then you handle your security issue inside your property. This is my property.
Twice here. This is my third time dealing with you guys.
Okay, who are you guys? Who are you guys with? You can talk to me all you want.
I don't have to talk to you at all. I don't have to say anything. You're nobody to me. Who are you?
Who are you?
You're questioning me.
You know my name. What's your name?
That's good that I know your name. That's why I can put a complaint towards you if I so wish to. What's the problem with that?
Over?
Or if I wish to submit a complaint, it'll be my business. It'll be my business, but that's why I need this employee's name. That's why I got it. I got it from his badge.
There you go.
There it is.
You got it?
Just don't touch my equipment, bro.
You're on my property.
I'm not on your property at all.
Sure looks like you are.
Yeah, it sure does.
Yeah. Tell me, who are you?
It's none of your business. Who are you? Who are you that I gotta tell you who I am?
I know. Let me take a pictures of you too.
That's cool, man. Exercise your rights. Go for it.
Thanks, man.
Do it.
Hey.
It's called America. There you guys go.
West Phoenix Power Plant, 4606 West Hadley. And we have people in front of the site right now videotaping.
Never!
You hear that? Need to get someone here. I am in plant management.
Just so you guys can see. Look at this. Look at this beauty right here. Look at that beauty right there. Check it out, guys. Where are my feet at?
I don't know. No, they won't let me. I'm not going to go up to them. They won't give me their names.
Oh. Give him his name.
I can't tell. I'm talking to 911.
Shit. They're called security.
Yeah, there's 3 male. At least they identify as male.
How do you know that? I didn't tell you that.
Hey, bro, your wife had no question about whether I was a man or not.
She or he. He look. I don't know. He looks like.
I'll date him, but I'm a man. There you go. I'll help you out.
Yeah,
I'll give you a better one, bro. Alpha male. You can tell I'm an alpha male. There's an alpha male out here, and I'm a beta male, and I'm scared. Can you please come help me?
It's right in the front. They filmed everyone.
You calling other men and come do your man work, bro.
Maroon sweatshirt, blue pants.
Why they had to do it? Just mind their business. This is Mary Joe Workman.
Yeah. Wearing a blue shirt with
Gray pants. Yeah, and then Greg.
Same.
That's Larry, guys. Larry.
Go old school Reeboks,
Right
dumb
now we're
shoes,
on foot. I don't see
blue jeans. Big too. Some ankle socks too.
They're saying this is their property, we're on their property.
You're on your property. What the?
not
It's
on
all
the
recorded. It's all
You, can't,
recorded.
you know you can't film this. This is a federally regulated facility. You're
Oh, yeah?
not allowed to do.
Oh, yeah? What law is that?
Okay.
What law is
You're
that?
gonna find out right now.
You're gonna find out right now.
My name is.
What law is that?
When you guys are filming, you usually stay while you're here.
I'm not usually, bro. I'm by myself. I usually do this by myself.
You
So
just go around filming random places.
this is not random.
They're selected.
This is this
Okay,
is not
so
random at
that's
all.
a reason. So then, do you at least stay while you're here?
I don't wish to do so. You're nobody I need to answer to.
What are
You guys already came out aggressive. You guys come out. Or you call 911, bro. I mean, come on. So I'm.
It's a security issue with
Why are you so scared, bro? There's a gate over there. Security guard sitting right there. I mean, did
Trust
we?
me, bro, we're not scared.
So I mean, it sounds like you're scared, bro.
We're scared of you guys?
No, it just sounds like you're scared in general.
No, we're not scared of you guys.
We're getting the telephone education. Record those guys over there. Telephone education.
Is that a walk of shame right there, guys? Already? Already?
Boo boo.
Already, bro. Come back.
Yep, my name's
Bye bye. Have a great night, man.
Hey, Josh. Have a good day, man.
It's a good name. I got a friend
Hey,
named Josh.
you don't gotta be so scared, bro. There's no security issue here.
Protection. We do have cars coming in and out. I mean, I'm just letting you
You're
know.
dismissed, man. Go back to work.
Yeah, hey, don't need yellow snow. You know, don't run with scissors. Don't cook bacon naked. You know, we can all give stupid directives, bro. Go ahead and go back. Leave now.
Give me a link for your business.
Go ahead, bro. Josh, go back already.
Have a great one.
Do not tell me what
Josh, leave. You're dismissed. Go. Go away. You're in my shot right now. Get away.
your house stand right here.
Go. Go.
My God.
Go. Look it.
Manager's telling you to come back. Look, man. You
Go.
look stupid.
Go. Josh, do as you're told.
What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? Stop recording me. Why are you guys on my property? I asked you to stop recording me. Dude, what are you doing on my property? You need to leave. Stop recording
Don't touch me. Don't touch me because I will defend myself. Don't touch me.
me. Stop recording me. What are you guys doing on my property? Are you guys auditors?
Yes. Arizona auditor. Hell yeah. Appreciate you guys.
Easy unfiltered.
Hi, Sandy. Hell yeah. Yeah, we're live right now.
Yeah, we're live right now.
Yeah. Hell yeah. Check us out. Check it out. Yeah.
Oh, that is great. I'm like, hell
Hell yeah. Actually, we don't know. They tripped out on us. We're recording the power plant across the street, and
yeah. They started the shit.
security guard came out screaming, all kinds of stuff. That's what it is? What is it?
FHR, right there.
FHR. All right. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hey, well, thank you guys. Appreciate you guys.
Oh yeah, thanks a lot.
That's some live feedback.
Nice. That is great, man.
So, unfortunately, if they're not on the property,
You
they're
guys
on the
can't do anything
sidewalk,
about it.
we can't do anything.
Okay.
As long as they're not on your property and they're not disrupting your work,
But they're also recording the cars and plates coming.
there's no
There's nothing you guys can do about
time
it.
for that. Yep. Okay, so that's where we're at.
Thank you for sticking around and getting that education. It was free this time. Next time, I'm charging you. Never reach for my equipment again.
Never. Battery.
Sir, what was your name and badge number? Sorry, I ran.
It's Officer Bayfield,
And badge number?
10967.
All right. Thank you.
You guys are harassing me. I'm not arguing.
Bye-bye, you're dismissed.
You can look. You can go now.
So
Go.
what's up, guys?
Yeah, they're picking on me. Exactly.
I'm not all the way out here where you came out, right? Where you came out. You walked all the way out here.
Great day.
Yeah, I will. I will. I'm gonna sleep soundly tonight too. Bet you won't.
Great day.
They called you a while ago.
All right. Oh, I'm sorry, man. What was your name? Batch number?
All right.
Ramirez?
Priority. I like to hear that. This is our priority. Good.
Batch number, sorry.
10962.
All right, pooh. Perfect. Thank you.
Yeah, no, they are.
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video. And please remember and go over and check out Arizona Auditor's YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you have a video you would like me to break down, please submit the video at knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Until the next episode of KYR News, stay safe out there.